Good afternoon. Welcome. Welcome to Barcelona. Welcome to Fespa. And welcome to the Mimaki stand. It is my honor and pleasure to introduce the JV400 large format series of printers, the latest innovation from Mimaki. You have them right here on the stage behind me. Let's start with the LX. The LX is the latex printer. Latex. Now, that sounds familiar. Is latex new? Obviously not. So, what's the fuss about? Well, let's talk a little bit about what's inside. The fuss is that we needed change. We heard our clients and we decided, yeah, we do need a change. We need to make things better. We need to make things faster. We need to make things more efficient. So, we made some changes. What you'll find on the JV400 series are lower energy consumption, lower curing temperatures, and a wider color gamut. Okay? We'll talk more specifically about what that means in a second, but let's look at what else the JV400 series is going to give us. Faster drying and faster printing overall. Here's the big one. It's the world's first white latex inks. What's so special about white latex ink? Well, let's think about transparent medium, dual-sided signage, and treating your media beforehand with white ink in order to use less ink in the long run. Here's just to get your imagination going on the white latex ink world. What else? Let's talk about energy. Mimaki is going to lower your electricity bills. We'll talk about how in just 1 second. But what does that mean? Well, it's nice for the environment, first of all, but it's also nice for your pocketbook. We're going to do just that by lowering the curing temperatures. The curing temperatures on the JV400 series are between 40 and 60 degrees centigrade. So you compare that to the industry standard right now on a large format printer, it's around 100 and upwards of 100 degrees centigrade. So we've more than halved the temperature, we've more than halved the energy used to then cure your final product. This means not only savings in money, but also more media. Remember, plastics, poly, whatever, laminates, they're not going to be a risk of shrinkage, there's not going to be a risk of destroying your product at these levels, 40 to 60 degrees centigrade. So that's a major plus. That is not all. We've added a wider color space, as you can see with the LX at work right now. So what we have is create more, faster, at a high quality. That's really nice. 2 sizes, 130 centimeter, that's the width of the SUV over there, and the 160 centimeter option, which you can see is slightly longer behind me. 6 colors to maintain the high level of image standard in the industry, and the white ink, which I mentioned the potential already. What else? Speeds. I was talking about speed. Well, specifically world record speeds, 18.1 square meters per hour. Both of these printers get up to those speeds. The new RIP will keep you printing accurately, efficiently, and with quality, because it comes standard on the JV400 series. It's the Rasterlink 6, and there's more. The SUV over here differs a bit from the LX in its ink and curing process. It puts out a higher quality, more durable print. The prints that come out of here are all ready for outdoor usage. They have a great glossy finish, rich colors, highly scratch resistant, same speeds, 18.1 square meters per hour. And that's not all. Let's talk a little bit about Mimaki beyond this stage and innovation in general. Mimaki is the innovation company. It is the technology company. It defines itself as such, and it is when it comes to printer innovation, which you'll find today, because this is only the tip of the innovation iceberg. If you go into our stand, you'll find some other brand new products that are and will innovate the industry. How is it that Mimaki has gotten here? Well, it's been here a little while. since 1975 to be precise, and all the while dedicated to innovation. Let's look at some other examples of Mimaki innovation that you'll be able to find here today. Right behind this wall, the very large mother of a printer, is the world's first flatbed, the world's first curing LED UV flatbed, and you can take home some samples with you today if you'd like. There's some right here on the stage. What else? The white latex ink, the world's first, which I talked to you a little bit about, its potential in printing on transparent media, dual-sided signage. Very excited about the white latex. And the print and cut, which you'll find in the other extreme corner of our stand, all in one, program and cut, as opposed to taking your medium from the printer, bringing it to the cutter, reprogramming the cutter. So, efficiency again. Also, a side note, Mimaki's #1 in his production of textile printers. Little interesting story here. If you take a peek right behind the corner of the wall here, you'll see an interestingly eccentric outfit that Mimaki is responsible for printing and just won an award. It's called Aggie and Sam. It's a new line of clothing that comes out of England, and apparently it just won an award at the London Fashion Show. So check out that outfit, printed on one of the TX series. So the name of the game with Mimaki is high quality solvent printing. And of course, we offer great service. We have offices around the world, more than 800 employees to back up its commitment to quality, service, and innovation. And that's Mimaki. Do more, create more, print more with Mimaki. Thank you for your attention. If you have any specific questions, please direct them to the experts behind this wall. I hope you have a great time at Fespa this week and in Barcelona. We'll see you soon.